does the ball roll when I push it? But the block slides?
Because the ball is round, so it rolls, and the block is flat, so it slides.
Oh, different shapes, different movement.
Exactly. Perfect moment to explore types of movement. Objects move in different ways. They can roll, slide, spin, or even fly depending on their shape and the force used.
So this is why wheels move better than blocks.
Exactly. Shape affects movement. Rolling reduces friction. Sliding depends on surfaces. Spinning needs balance. And flying needs lift.
I finally understand why I can't ride a square-shaped skateboard.
To make things move easier, reduce friction. Smooth surfaces help objects slide faster.
So that's why ice is slippery and fun and dangerous. Today we learned about rolling, sliding, spinning, and flying.
And next time, we'll explore the world of sounds and vibrations. Objects don't just move, they dance differently based on their shape.
See you in the next adventure. For tips and tricks, comment ebook to get yours. Like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon.